Boys and girls, hello. In this slideshow, I'm going to talk to you very briefly about equal groups and skip counting, something that we are covering in Chapter 2. So wouldn't it be easy if everything were arranged like these pink circles here? Everything's in straight lines that we called columns and rows. And what do we call this when something is so neatly arranged? Right, it's called an array. And when something is in an array, it's pretty easy to count. We can see everything clearly. We can see the plan. But sometimes things aren't so easily arranged. And it's not really good to count a lot. We don't really want to count by ones if we don't have to. Let me show you what I mean. Let's see if we can mess up this array. Well, now things aren't so neatly arranged, right? But there aren't an awful lot of circles here, so we could probably count them if we wanted to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wow, that was a lot of counting. And it really wasn't necessary. Now let's try something else. Now we've got even more pink circles here. And because they're not in an array, it's a little bit more difficult to count. Are we really going to try counting these one at a time? 1, 2, 3. No, no, we don't want to do that. That's going to take too much time. And we want to save time. And we want to save our energy. So what can we do? Well, we can group these. And you can see inside each yellow circle, I have the same number of circles, pink circles. We've made equal groups. And these are very helpful in helping us make bigger numbers, find bigger numbers. How many groups do we have here? In other words, how many yellow circles are there? There's 6. And how many pink circles are in each one? 5. So we're going to call this 6 groups of 5. Well, now we can just do what? 5 and 5 and 5 and 5 and 5 again and 5 again. Hmm. We can skip count. And I think most of you already know how to skip count by fives, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So remember, we can skip count when we have to count a lot of objects or try to reach a bigger number. Here we went 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Mm-hmm. Or we could use repeated addition, which is kind of like using doubles, except there are more than two addends. And we also made equal groups. And we do all of these for the same reason. We don't want to count to big numbers by one. It's going to take a long time to do that. By the way, the pink ribbon is because Friday is Pink Day. Do you remember why? The end.